Hello students, how are you? Today in this lecture also we are going to solve one numerical related to journal entries. So here journalize the following: 2017 March 4, purchased building for 1,50,000 and incurred expenses of 10,000 on its purchase. March 10, Satish, who owed us 20,000, is declared insolvent and 60 paisa in a rupee received from his estate. March 15, paid 500 for repairing the office furniture. March 18, proprietor withdrew for his personal use cash 5,000 and goods worth of 2,000. Then March 20, purchased the following items for business: iron safe 1,50,000, filing cabinet 5,000, typewriter 12,000, postage 200, and stationery 1,50,000. Paid electricity charges 1,60,000, 1,600. March 31st, charge depreciation on machinery at the rate 10% for 1 year. Machinery 75,000, value of the machinery. Outstanding wages at the end of the year is 6,000 rupees. Okay. So whenever we purchase some asset, so whatever expenses incurred on its purchase, on its transportation, on its installation, on its repair, that all is added. Those all expenses are added to the value of the asset. So here value of the building is 1,50,000 and 10,000 rupees are spent on this. So here what we will do, the value of the building we will consider here 1,60,000, because 1,50,000 plus 10,000 expenses. So here whatever comes, machinery in this building we are buying, the building is coming to the business, debit what comes in. So building account debit, building account debit, and to bank, because we are paying the amount for building purchased and expenditure made on it. Okay, this is 1,60,000. Okay, and here also 1,60,000, and here date is 2017 March 4. Okay, now come to the next one. Okay, next one, it says Satish, who owes 20,000, was declared insolvent and 60 paisa is received from his estate. 60 paisa in a rupee, है ना? March 10. तो March 10. So whatever amount is received, है ना, we will show it in bank account debit, and whatever the business could not recover, and it has gone in bad debts. So bad debts account debit to who is the person from whom this amount is received, this Satish to Satish. Amount was how much? 20,000. How much received? 60 paisa in 100 paisa. 60%, 60 paisa in a rupee is received. So in 20,000, how much is received? It is 6 to the 12, 0, 0, 0. 12,000 is received. So whatever is received, bank account debit, and whatever is not received, that has gone in bad debt. So 8,000 has gone in bad debts. Total amount was 20,000 rupees. So here for 60 paisa in a rupee is recovered from him. Okay, this should be the journal entry. Okay, now come to the next transaction. Next transaction says March 15 paid 500 for repairing the office furniture. Now office furniture is repaired on March 15. Okay, so March 15 repair. So here this was old furniture that repair has been spent, money has been spent on repair. So repair account debit, repair on furniture कह सकते हैं, repair account debit, repair and maintenance account debit also we can do, to bank cash or bank, whatever it is, for amount spent on repair of furniture. How much amount is spent? The amount is spent 600. 600 is spent for rupees 600 is spent. Okay. And now the next transaction. And now the next transaction is this proprietor withdrew for his personal use cash and goods. Cash worth of rupees 5,000 and 2,000 worth of goods. So here drawings account debit. How much total? 5,000 this cash, and the two cash 5,000 and 2,000 worth of goods. The two purchases, because purchase has been reduced. This is not the sale. And for goods withdrawn, goods and cash withdrawn for personal use. Okay, total 7,000 rupees. Okay. Now the next transaction, purchased following items for business. So what are those items? Those items are safe, 15,000. Safe means for keeping books and all and other things. Safe. Then safe of 15,000, filing cabinet of 5,000, typewriter for 12,000. These all are of the office use. This is office equipment. Okay. So these all we can show it in office equipment. Then the typewriter 12,000. This is also office equipment. Then postage 200. Telegraph, postage and telegraph will show, and stationery. So stationery expenses we can show here in the business in a separate heading. So here, what should be the journal entry? And this, all this, and to bank or to cash we can do. So here, office equipment account debit. Or second thing is, then we bought this postage and telegram expenses. Telegram expenses account debit. Third one is stationery account debit to cash or bank, whatever it is. We can make it, because big amount is there, so we can make it bank to bank. Cash also we can do, there is no such this. So how much amount will be shown in office equipment? So office equipment is, say, 15,000, filing cabinet 5,000, so 20,000, typewriter 12,000, So 20 plus 32,000. 32,000 will be shown here in this. Postage and telegram postage is 200 rupees. We can put it here 200, and then stationery 150. So 150 we'll put it here. Okay. Then to bank, total amount is how much? 32,350. 32,350. We can put it here for expenses made on buying safe, this postage, stationery for business. Okay, so this is the journal entry that we can put. Okay, and now paid electricity charges. This electricity charges. We'll put here electricity charges. Separate head is there. So electricity charges we can put, electricity expenses we can put here. Electricity expenses account debit to bank, because generally companies pay by this check. This is Solus 1,600. So for electricity expenses paid by check, or if we don't write check, then we have to put the check number and all. Okay. Then the next, March 31st, charge depreciation on machinery. Depreciation is charged on machinery on March 31st. What is the journal entry? Depreciation, depreciation account debit, because depreciation is a type of loss. Debit all the expenses and losses, nominal account. Depreciation account debit to, because this has been reduced from the machinery, for depreciation charged on machinery. Then how much amount? It is 75,000, 10%. For 1 year it is to be charged 7,500. 7,500. Okay. So outstanding wages. Outstanding wages was there at the end of the year. So 6,000 rupees. So wages we have to show it in the books of the current year 31st. So wages account debit to, because it is not paid. Otherwise, if it is when we pay the wages, then we say wages account debit to cash, or bank, but it is not paid. So wages account debit to outstanding wages account for wages outstanding. Okay, then it is 6,000 rupees, I think. 6,000. Now this is what, and at the end we will add up all this, debit side of this, and credit side of this, and whatever total is there, we'll put it here. If it is in different pages, page wise we will put the total here, and then that total we will bring on the next page when we will start this, and then we will total up in the second page, whatever total is there, we will carry forward that total carry forward, then in the next page it will be brought down, the total brought down, and then we will total up, then it is the total here, we will put the total. Okay, and this way we will 234,950 is the total. 34,950 to 34,950 is the total of this. Okay, this way we will solve the question. Okay, thank you.